Hello there. I've bought this signal light regulator from Alibaba or AliExpress, and I just want to see whether it's working. Now, on the way to when I look at this, it seems to be all nicely soldered, very thin wires here. When you look closely here, you can see, you can see that it says G and R. I assume it's a positive, negative for red light and for green light, and this is plus and minus, and I assume this is for the input. Now, because the wires are so thin, I will just solder a little piece of metal onto it from my LEDs, which I have burned. I cut these 1 centimeter short rods of my LEDs and stuck them straight into the foam. So I can just go straight into this and tin these a little bit. I put a little bit of solder on every one of these metal sticks in preparation for the next step. Then let's prepare these wires as well. I use lead-free solder, and I apply a little bit of solder here on these wires. Then I solder the wires onto the metals.
Yeah, that should do.
Two. Here. Perfect. Right, I've now collected it all together. So power supply here, positive, negative, 5 volt, and then here the common positive pole, green, yellow, and red. Then I've had here a resistor with, so I've connected it all together, and you can see now in real time how long a individual circle lasts. And if I switch off the light, you can appreciate how it goes. I hope I've demonstrated you how easy this traffic light board can be installed, how it's working, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and feel free to subscribe.